Are you ready to turn your TV into an art gallery with Vizzio Art? Let's show you how to do it with Fire TV Stick. Fire TV Stick must already be set up on your TV. Now switch on your Fire TV Stick and go to your Fire TV Stick App Store. Search for Vizzio Art, install, and run the app. Please make sure your Fire TV Stick and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You've downloaded the Vizzio Art mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play and purchased an art subscription. Then on your smartphone, go to Settings, select Manage Devices, and click Add New Device. Click on Scan and your Fire TV Stick device will appear. Click on the Pair icon and the selected device will be paired. Vizzio Art app needs to be open on the TV, otherwise the mobile app won't be able to detect it. That's it! Now you're ready to use Vizzio Art to stream artworks and images to make your living spaces more beautiful.